This is a homemade oak arrowhead. The head of this broke off along with the threading, so I slammed a piece of oak in there and sanded it down to a point. Let's see how it goes. We're going to be firing out of a 40-pound draw weight recurve bow. So the wood seemed to only take a little bit of a tank, whereas this arrow seemed to be ripped to pieces. So I thought I had another pre-made wooden arrowhead. However, I did not. So I decided to go and make one just now. A bit smaller, a bit weaker, but we'll see how it works. I also believe this to be an aluminum arrow body. Tell you what, that went through pretty damn good. There was only slight damage to the arrowhead. That did not work too well, but at least there is still an arrow. We'll try it like this. Well, it worked. Whoa. This is not looking too good, but still a pretty solid piece. Let's see if we can stick it in the wood.